How many of you in this audience, this is your first advanced workshop? Oh, do we have a week planned for you? We are going to sharpen your abilities over the next 4 days. And we are going to measure some of the changes that are going to take place in your brain and your body, and the energy field around your body. And all of that is to prove to all of us that we have the capacity to create the lives that we want. This is our 15th advanced workshop. We had no idea the type of people we would draw as a community. We had no idea the type of scientific measurements we would be getting. We have no idea that the miracles that took place over the last 4 years were so consistent in so many people's lives. The phoenix lights herself on fire for no other reason than the idea that she can be reborn again, somebody else. That is the soul. That is your conscience. It knows better all of the time. There's a part of you that has to be burned away, not like it's going to hurt. Look how much you've changed just in 2 days. But there's more love to experience. There's greater levels of energy to run into. There are mystical experiences that exist in the unified field. You took your body for a walk this morning as your future self? Yes. Don't you know we made news history already today? Television stations out there wondering if we were aliens looking up at the sky. That's the truth. You know why they called you an alien? Because you showed up like an unknown. And you are an alien. You're from the future. As you move closer and closer to the unified field, you're going to experience more wholeness, more oneness, more unity. And if all possibilities exist in the eternal now, all you have to do is become aware that they already exist. Come on, did you get that? And if you're no longer separate from anything, you're actually not creating anything, you're just observing what already is there. The mystical, the transcendent can happen to you. And you only need one of those experiences for you to realize that you can't go back to being the same person again. You dipped into the divine, and it transformed you in some way.